Problem 3. All of the triangles as shown are equilateral triangles. And what are equilateral triangles? It means that all of the sides are equal. The side length of triangle A is 24.7. So triangle A is this large triangle right here. And it's going to have a side length of 24.7. And also, just to keep in mind, if we know that this is 24.7, we also know that these two sides are 24.7 as well. All right, we also know that the side length of triangle B is 26. So what is the side length of triangle C? Triangle C, as you can see, is a almost a random triangle kind of caught in between A and B. And it shares some sides with them. It's just that not all of the sides. So we're going to have to find a proper variable that we can do. Like, there's so many triangles over here. We can't possibly set every one of their side lengths as a variable just because we don't know it. But what we can do is set two very important variables that we can list all of the other triangles off of. Here's what I mean. Usually a good variable that can represent a lot of values, actually, so that's what makes a good variable, are the variables that are usually not changing and the variables that are small so that we can build off of them. So what are the two smallest triangles in here? The two smallest triangles, I'm going to zoom in, is these two. These two are the same size. I'm just going to pick this one. And it's going to have a side length of x. Now, what's the second smallest? That would be this one, right? Why? This triangle is the same size. This is also x. Okay, now that we're done with that, we can zoom back out. All right, and we have two x's and one y. Now we're just going to start listing the side lengths of these other triangles based off of what we know. For example, this triangle over here, it shares a side length with both x and y. So this one would be x plus y. Now this one would be, this top one right here would be x plus y plus x. So 2x plus y. And this is also 2x plus y because these two are equal. Alright, now back here, this triangle over here, it's 2x plus y plus x. So 3x plus y. This is 3x plus y, but if we add another x over here, this is 4x plus y. And so is this one, 4x plus y. Alright, and over here, this is also x plus y. And x plus y, this is 2y plus x. So see how we're just kind of switching back and forth now. And this would also be 2y plus x. Now we have all of these smaller triangles done. Now let's do A, B, and C. So let's first do C. And over here we have 2x plus y plus x plus y plus x plus y. So this is in total 4 x's and 3 y. So this C is 4x plus 3y. Now let's do B. B is 4x plus 3y plus 2y plus x. So in total there are 6 x's plus, in total there are actually 5 x's plus 5 y's. Now let's do this last triangle up here, A. So A is a combination of C and this triangle over here. So in total there are 6 x's and 4 y's. Now we have a expression based on just two variables that can list every single that can represent every single side length of each triangle over here. So that's a great thing. We don't need to list a million different variables. Just two, and just two is enough. Now we can find the body of this, right? So, and once we find what x and y each are, we can find the side length of C. Actually, if we find this side length of x and y, we can find the side length of every single triangle over here, not just C. So let's see what we know. 6x plus 4y, right? That's what can be used to represent the side length of triangle A, but that's also equal to 24.7. Remember, if we have two variables, we need at least two equations to solve both of them. So now we have B, right? 5x plus 5y is equal to 26. And that's a system of equations. So that's a system, that's a group. That's why I'm using brackets to group them together. All right. So let's see what we have. If this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, we can subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So after doing this, we get, on this side we have 1.2. On this side we have y minus x, or actually negative x plus y, but we're just going to do y minus x for now. So y minus x is equal to 1.2, meaning that y is equal to 1.2 plus x. Now we can use this value right here to substitute into all of these y values. So 6x plus 4y becomes 6x plus 4.8 plus 4x, which is equal to 24.7. And if we simplify this, we get 10x is equal to 24.7 minus 4.8. So that gives us 22.9. Alright, so 10x is equal to 22.9, then x is equal to 2.29. Now we have y to solve for, right? So if we know that x is 2.29, then we can add that to 1.2, and we get y is equal to 3.49. So if we know that x is equal to 2.29 and y is equal to 3.49, that's the solution to our function, but remember, that's not our answer. Our answer is to find c. And c, we know, is 4 times x, which is 4 times 2.29 plus 3y. So 3 times 3.49. Okay, and if we do that, we get 9.16 plus 10.47. So we add those together and we get 19.63. So what is the side length of triangle C? That would be 19.63.